Hi guys, it's me, R20 AJ. Saan siya na? Kagising ko lang. Okay guys, may duman kasi sa wall ko guys. Ito yung, today lang to na video, yung kay May Tommy tsaka kay Angie. So, disclaimer sa mga kapanood ng video na to, ito ay aking opinion lamang. And then, panoorin nyo ang video na to.
A few moments later.
You love Kelly and care Kelly rather than me. You always spend time and attention to Kelly.
No, I don't.
Unlike me. Hide
No,
me
I don't.
wherever you to go. Mark
I
your
don't.
friend, my friend in 2 years. Betray me. Cover all what you cheat.
No,
Don't say anything about me. That you three together
Hold on,
is
hold on.
end
You
up
were
baseball
mistaken.
without telling me.
I was wrong. I was wrong. I did wrong.
How many months you did not support me? You did not support me. You not send money to me. Because why? Because why you spent your money on the packing shit, Kelly? You spent your money out of dinner, out of date of that Kelly. Where is your money? To that fucking shit woman that you
Let me.
cheat of me. You always with Kelly side. You always love and care Kelly rather than me that it's supposed to me as your girlfriend. Now you will say to me, sorry for all you did to me? Tell me.
Yes. I am. I am very sorry. I'm very sorry. You know, I'm very sorry. I am
I
sorry.
feel alone, Tom. I feel alone. I feel alone standing with all my problem. Because if people know how it's hard for me, how it's hard for me to stand alone of all the problem I have I get in my life. They understand Angie, but they don't understand me because they are not the one who wear the shoes in my life.
Okay. I'm gonna talk about this again. I am, listen to me. Please. Listen to me.
And you ask me that we will back in relationship over all what you did to me. You make me feel nothing.
A few moments later.
So, yun nga guys, dito sa video na to, nagtatalo nga si Angie at si May Tommy. So, umiingi ng sorry si May Tommy kay Angie na gusto makipagbalikan. However, hindi ko lang kasi nagustuhan yung attitude ni Angie kasi ang sabi kasi ni Angie dito, ilang buwan na raw kasi siyang hindi pinapadalahan ni May Tommy. So, FYI lang, first, hindi ka po asawa ni May Tommy. Pangalawa, hindi ka po responsibilidad na padalahan ng pera ni May Tommy. Kaya nasisira yung image po ng mga iba nating mga kababaihan dahil sa ganitong attitude guys. Kasi baka isipin po ng mga afam, pera lang po yung habol. So, yun. So, yun lang yung opinion ko dun kay Angie. At pangalawa, yung mga ganitong bagay, hindi na dapat pinopost pa sa social media. Kasi dapat pagka ganito, pina-private na lang eh. The more kasi na napapanood sa social media, maraming makikisawsaw dyan. Maraming magko-comment, maraming hindi magugustuhan yung attitude ni Angie, maraming magbabash talaga sa kanya. And that's for sure yun. Kasi nakita ko yung mga comments talaga, ang dami nagbabash kay Angie. Kasi naman grabe, naiintindihan ko rin naman na Angie, kung saan siya nanggagaling, no? So, ang sabi ni Angie, merong cheat na naganap. Ayun, na-mention niya si Kelly. And then, sinasabi ni Angie na in-spend daw yung money ni Tommy kay Angie, ay kay Kelly. I guess, kung wala naman na talaga kay ni Angie, no, o ni May Tommy, rights naman siguro ni May Tommy na maging happy rin siya at makita niya yung babae para sa kanya. However, hindi ko alam kung bakit ano nangyari. Then, nagsusorry si May Tommy, and then umiiyak pa. So, parang may balikang magaganap dito. Ang nakikita ko lang dito siguro May Tommy na-realize niya na mahal niya pa rin si Angie. And, pagkatapos lahat ng mga pinagdaanan nila, mga trials, alam mo, when it comes to relationship, dadaan ka talaga sa mabigat na pagsubok. And dumarating sa point talaga, nagkakaroon din ng hiwalayan. Doon masusubok yung relasyon nyo kung talagang mahal nyo ang isa't isa. So sa relasyon ng dalawa, ni May Tommy at ni Angie, so magkakaroon po ng balikan. Pero dapat, Angie, I advise to you, pag mga ganitong away, no, dapat i-private nyo na lang po yan, no? Pag-usapan nyo privado, wag mo nang pinopost pa sa social media. Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa mo lang siya for the views o for the content, pero it's not a good idea para i-post ito, dahil alam ko maraming makikisawsaw dito sa gulo na to or away na to. Ayan, so yun lang, just comment down below guys, ano ba opinion nyo, and follow ko more kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na to. R20AJ. Ciao.